Hi friends, let me ask you one thing. Have you ever been in a situation where you are speaking English and suddenly you feel like, did I say that wrong? Yeah, it happens to many of us. But no worries. Today we are going to talk about 5 common mistakes in spoken English and how to avoid them. Here I have prepared 5 common mistakes that we make in spoken English. Ready? Alright, let's get started. Mistake number 1, using I am having instead of I have. Using I am having instead of I have. For example, some people say I am having a brother. Well, that's not quite right. The correct way is I have a brother. You see, having is used when you are eating or experiencing something like I am having my lunch or I am having a good time. Makes sense, right? Okay, now let's move on to mistake number 2, using double negatives. Have you ever heard someone say, I don't know nothing? Yeah, it sounds a bit odd, doesn't it? The correct way is, I don't know anything. Why? Because two negatives always cancel each other out. So it is like saying the opposite of what you mean. So don't say, I don't know nothing. Instead, say, I don't know anything. Okay? Now, mistake number 3 is confusing between borrow and lend. Confusing between borrow and lend. This confusion is everywhere. So, here is the deal. If you are taking a book, you say, can I borrow your book? And if you are giving a book, you say, I will lend you my book. Easy, right? Borrow is when you take and lend is when you give. I repeat, borrow is when you take and lend is when you give. Alright, moving on, mistake number 4, saying more better. Some people say this coffee is more better than that one, but the correct way is this coffee is better than that one, right? You see, better is already a comparison, so adding more is unnecessary. Got it? Now, mistake number 5, misusing prepositions like saying, I will meet you on next Monday. Actually, it should be, I will meet you next Monday, right? And instead of saying, I am good in English, you should say, I am good at English. Prepositions can be tricky, but trust me, with practice, you will get the hang of them. So, there you have it, 5 common mistakes and how to avoid them in spoken English. Just remember, it's okay to make mistakes. I mean, we are all learning, right? What is important is that we should keep improving ourselves. Got it? This is all about this video. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more spoken English tips. And if you have any doubts regarding spoken English, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.